Hey guys, you're back. He's live on CoinMarketCap Airdrops. So we have Tron here. It's currently giving away airdrop. So Tron is currently ranked at 428 on CoinMarketCap, about 24,736 on the watch list. So this is the airdrop, token airdrop. If you want to check out the price movement, see lows and highs. It went from $0.8 to lows of 0.2. So these are associated with the recent dip in January. So the official website is here for you to make as much research as you want. If you're interested in the project, we do not give financial advices for individuals. So you want to make your own research individually, but we are basically concerned with airdrops, which is what we do recommend, as it gives you same value and some same perks, guys. So guys, 100k, that's the total price pool for this THN airdrop Tron NFT. So it says participate in the 100k price pool, you get up to 206.35 THN tokens. I think that should go a long way. Just imagine if these become more valuable or increase in price, the rewards will also increase. So we said 100k THN airdrop by Tron NFT, February 8, 2022, February 14, 2022, starts in 13 days. So this is an upcoming airdrop as we're recording. So on how to participate, so Tron is a blockchain company, NFT ecosystem led by a collective of software engineers and an accomplished team from the music and art world, brought together by utilization of Ethereum. So co-founded by British award-winning music producer Neil Hooper, known for his work with So To So Jock, Madonna U2, G. Robinson, Kanye West manager, also the former manager of Drake, Nicki Minaj, Chimere CC, a former communications executive at Blueberry, Sudbury's Institute. So I think the project has lots of people, but you need to still try as much as possible to confirm, do your own research to make sure you confirm who these if these people are as they who they say they are. So THN is the utility token of the Tron in a community, network, and marketplace, providing a more sensible and sustainable solution by driving forward in new creative economy. So you need to complete these steps, add it to your watchlist Tron token. So make sure your watchlist is set at public so they can be able to make verifications during the selection process. And you follow them on Twitter, Telegram, and also all social media handles. And you want to turn on notifications too, as well as we do recommend you turn on notifications and follow us too. And definitely it says here retweet their pin post or the link to be provided and tag us with Tron at Tron NFT. So these are some of the things you want to do. You want to check out crypto Twitter and see what is happening around this project. The winners will be announced on the official Telegram channel. All bots and duplicate entries will be automatically disqualified. So guys, that's all. You buy keys. Peace out. See you in a future upload. Stay tuned for more. One love, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.